Hi, welcome to Upcycle Art Journals. I have been busy working on all these pattern journals, vintage patterns. I like to have the older the better. And I just had to show somebody all these because I thought it was pretty fun, and obviously I'm obsessed. But I am going to be taking these to the craft fair. So this way I have a place to show all the different ones. I haven't recorded all the ones I've made, and I thought it would be fun just to show all these different ones. They're all packaged nicely. Remember I had shown you I had one for a sample. That way people can open it up and thumb through it, because all of these are very similar. That way it's going to protect it. It is an outdoor event, and that way I'm able to keep them safer from little hands thumbing through, and safer from the weather and all that. And if somebody really has an interest in that, I don't have a problem with them opening up and checking it out. But they're all very similar. So I just thought it would be fun to show you all these different patterns that I was able to find. 35 cents. It would be neat to see how long ago was that pattern 35 cents. And then we have this cute little simplicity one with the little girls. We have more of an active one where they're kind of doing some sports. 75 cents on that one. This one's a little hard to see because that one has more of greens to it. And this one, I got some retro fabric and just did a tie on that one. That was fun to do. We have this one. Not that one. So definitely some kid ones. It's easy to find the kid ones. It's a little bit of a glare. Cute. 50 cents. This one was more of a black and white. It's more elegant, so I tried to put more the black and white papers and things in that one. Another little kid one, 50 cents. That one's down here. Now this is one of those ones that was just a little bit smaller than the rest, so that the papers stick out the top, but that's not a problem. And I really like this one. Just the colors, the style, even though that corner's missing, I like that one. That's not all. Just finding a place to put all of them. I have them all in this little bucket here. I gotta figure out a way to display them at the craft fair. And I have all the different ones. So Butterick, Simplicity, McCall's, 50 cents for that. This one's 85. That one's more of your 60s fashion. The greens. Trying to make the spine and the tie kind of all matchy. That lady's one. 65 cents. Simplicity. Another one of those. Some younger girls. That one was nice too. I would have a hard time choosing, just saying. If I came up to, now see, that one's missing part of it, but that didn't bother me on that one. I don't know why. This one I really like too. I love her striped dress. I would have a really hard time choosing one. If I had to pick one right now, I'd struggle. $1. I try not to go past $1.25. If the pattern is, $2.50, I'll pass on that one for now. So sorry about all the crinkling. So they're just going to kind of be stored in there for now. I don't even know how many I have. I'll have to put that in the description. But there was quite a few, and I have more to make. So I have some more that are already sewn and ready. That one. Just my desk is way too small for all this. I thought that was cute. With the browns. We got some purple girls. And some of these I'm going to put in my Etsy shop. Now that one I thought was great for fall. That should have some fall papers in it. And then some other ones I'm working on over there. So patterns coming out of my ears. That's okay. It's fun. I'm having fun. If you're having fun, keep going. hopefully, people at the craft fair will find them fun as well. Otherwise, a lot of them will end up on Etsy. But thanks for watching and sharing my excitement with all these pattern journals. And be sure to check out my shop if you have an interest in those. I'm going to start putting a few up here and there. And of course, whatever's not sold, I'll hang on to some, but they'll probably go up in Etsy, or contact me if there's one that you said, oh, I must have that. My mom made me that pattern when I was a kid. That would be so fun. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.